Okay, children. So we'll discuss surface areas and volumes. Surface areas and volumes, children. Okay, surface areas and volumes, 10th class children and CBSE from RS Agarwal and Guru children. No, Manjeet Singh and Guru children. First question. Manjeet Singh. Okay, first question. A cylinder whose height is there whose height is two-thirds its diameter. Two-thirds its diameter. A cylinder whose height is two-thirds its diameter has the same volume as that of sphere of the radius of the sphere is 4 centimeters. The radius of the sphere is 4 centimeters. So what is the radius of cylinder? The question is, what is the radius of the cylinder? Okay.
H is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube.
Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of sphere is
4 by 3 pi r cube.
Pi
cancel.
So r square into height is how much?
2 by 3 2r.
Okay, 4 by 3 into r cube is how much? 4 cube.
4 cube.
Okay, 3 cancel. So r square into 2 into d we can write it as 2r is equal to 4 into 4 cube. Okay, this 2 2s are 4, this 4 we can cancel. R square into r cube
is equal to 4 cube. R is equal to 4. Radius of sphere is 4 centimeter.
Radius of sphere is 4 centimeter. Next side here.
Okay.
A spherical ball of diameter 21 centimeter. A spherical ball of diameter 21 centimeter is melted and recasted into cubes. Recasted into n number of cubes. Each of 1 centimeter in diameter. Find the number of cubes made.
Volume of sphere is equal to n into volume of cubes.
Volume of sphere?
4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to n into L cube. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 is equal to n into 1 into 1 cube.
Okay. So
cancellation, two 2s and 4s. 2 11s. 11 into 441 into 11, n is equal to
4951 cubes can be made. 4951 cubes can be made out of this 4951 cubes. Rakesh?
Yes, sir.
A toy is in the form of cone mounted on a hemisphere. Okay. Of diameter 7 centimeters. The diameter is 7 centimeters. Okay. The total height of the toy is 14.5. Total height of the toy is 14.5 centimeters. Find the volume of the toy. Volume of the toy is equal to
volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere.
Volume of hemisphere?
2 by 3 pi r cube plus
volume of cone?
1 by 3 pi r square h.
1 by 3 pi r square h. So what is common?
1 by 3 pi.
1 by 3 pi
r
square.
So 2r plus h.
So volume of toy is 1 by
3 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 2 into 7 by 2 into plus 14.5.
No. This is 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. Remove 3.5 from 14.5. 11 is the height. You should be careful now. In spite of knowing some, if you do wrong, great mistake.
211.
So
77 by 6.
6 into
11. 7.
18.
7. Yes.
6 3s are
3
7 are 21. 231 cc.
Yes.
231 cc is the volume of the cube. 231 cc is the volume of the cube. Anush?
Yes, sir.
I'll tell the formulas now. A right circular cylinder and right circular cone have equal bases. A right circular cylinder and right circular cone, both of them have equal bases, means equal diameter. Equal diameter means equal radius. That is the meaning.
Yes.
Right circular cylinder, right circular cone have equal bases and equal heights. Heights also equal, it seems. Heights also equal. Okay. If the CSAs are in the ratio of 8:5, cone by cylinder is 8:5.
8 by 5.
The radius of their bases to the heights are. What is the ratio of their radius to height? What is the ratio of radius to height? Yeah, tell me.
Okay. CSA of cone is like
IRL.
pi RL. Pi RL by C 2 pi RH is equal to 8 by 5. Pi
Pi.
pi cancel. RR cancel.
Now 2 will go here.
Yes, sir. L by H is equal to 16 by 5.
What the squaring on both sides? Let's do squaring on both sides.
Yes, sir. L square by H square is equal to
1 second. Yeah. L square by H square is equal to
16 square by 5 square.
5 square. Can you tell me what is L square in cones formula?
Sir, L square in.
L square is R square plus H square.
Yes, sir. Yeah, slant height. 5 square.
Split.
R square by H plus H square by H is equal H square by 16 square by 5 square plus 1 is equal to 16 square 256 by 25. R square by H square is equal to 256 by 25 minus 1. R square by H square is equal to 256 minus 25 by 25.
You can tell me still. So R square by H square is 256 minus 25 is how much?
231.
231. Okay, 231 by
25.
So R by H is how much?
Root 231 by root 5.
So ratio is root 231 is to 5.
Yes, sir.
Understood? How to do, children, in the exam if you get like this questions? Very
Yes,
easy,
sir.
children. Only thing is you have to practice. That's it.
On both sides.
Okay, so next question. Grishma is there? Grishma?
Yes, sir.
The radius and slant height of cone, there is a cone. The radius and slant height of a cone are in the ratio of 5 is 4 is to 7. 4 is to 7. 4 is to 7. CSA of cone is 792 centimeters square. Then what is the radius? What is the CSA of cone?
Pi RL. CSA equals to pi RL.
Okay.
792 equals to 22 by 7 into R into 4x into
4x into
7x.
7x.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
792 is equal to 22 into 4x.
Okay.
790 x equal to 792 by 22 into 4.
11 2 sir, 2 36.
4 ones are 4. 6 square by 2 squares. X equals to 6 by 3.
X is equal to 3. So what is radius? 4x.
4 into
And
x.
height 7x.
7 into x.
So R is equal to
4 into 3, 12. 12
centimeters
centimeters.
is the radius. That's 12 centimeters is the radius. Next. Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi is there? The largest sphere is carved out of a cube of size 7. There is a cube of size 7. Samhita, there is a cube of 7 centimeters. What the largest sphere is carved out? Largest sphere is carved out. What is the volume of the sphere? Samhita?
Can I say, sir?
Volume of Sathika. Sorry, sir. Volume of sphere.
Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube.
Okay.
R is equal
4 by 3 into
22 by 7 into 7 by 2.
Very good. 7 by 2
into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2.
Okay.
7 7 cancel. 2.
Okay. How much?
77 into.
Okay. 11 plus 44. 53 by 3. Come on. Keep saying. 3 1 3 7 3 9 3 6. So 179.66. Okay. Next one. Bhavika. 7.
Yes, sir.
A hemispherical ball is there of internal diameter 36 centimeters. This is 36 centimeters diameter, has some liquid in it. Okay, it is to be filled with cylindrical bottles. It is to be filled in cylindrical bottles of radius. It is to be filled in cylindrical bottles of radius 3 centimeters, height 6 centimeters. Height is 6 centimeters. Question is, how many bottles can be filled? how many bottles can be filled?
Volume of hemisphere is equal to n into volume of cylinder.
Very good.
2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to n into pi r square h.
Okay.
2 by 3 into 22 by 2 by 3 into 36 by 18 into 18 is equal to n into 3 into 6.
3 into 3 into 6. Okay.
Yes.
So 3, 6, 3, 6, 6, 3,
Can.
so n is equal to 36 to 72 bottles can be filled. 72 bottles can be filled. Harsh, are you there? A cylinder, cone, and hemisphere. A cylinder, cone, and hemisphere. Hasit, cylinder, cone, and hemisphere.
Yes,
Yes,
Until
sir.
Harsh.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first Harsh. Cylinder, cone, and hemisphere has equal bases. Equal bases means equal diameter. Equal diameters means equal radius. And also have equal heights. All of them have equal heights. In space, hemisphere, radius only height. What is the ratio of their volumes? What is the volume of cylinder to volume of cone to volume of hemisphere?
Sir, volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Sir.
Fantastic.
Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube.
Pi r cube. To cancel 3, I will multiply and divide with 3. Is it possible?
Yes.
Multiply and dividing
Yes,
with 3,
sir.
is it okay now? No. Okay. 3,
Okay, sir.
3, 3. 5, 5,
Pi.
5. Now, what is left over? 3r square h.
3 r square h. R square h. 2 by 2 r cube.
R square
R square r cube r.
H, R. R is H only, no? It's
Yes, sir.
hemisphere. So what is
Yes,
the
sir.
ratio? 3 is to
3 is to 1 is to 2.
next. Ask it.
Yes, sir.
From a solid cylinder of height 12 centimeters. From a solid cylinder of height 12 centimeters. Just 12 centimeters. And base radius 5 centimeters. And base radius 5 centimeters. A conical cavity of same height and base is out. From this, a cone is cut out. The cone is cut out. What is the volume of remaining solid? Volume of remaining solid means what you will do?
Volume of cylinder minus volume of cone.
Can you help me?
Pi r square h minus 1 by 3 pi r square h.
Okay. Okay. What will take common?
R square. R square and pi.
Pi r
H
square will
also.
take. So h also will take. Okay. H means 1 minus
1 by 3.
1 minus 1. Okay. So how much? 22 by 7.
22 by 7 into 5 into 5 into 12.
5 into 5 into 12 into 1 minus 1 by 3.
1 by 3.
How much is going to come? 22 by 7 into 5 into 5 into 12 into 2 by 3.
2 by 3.
So how much? 3 fourths. This is 3.14.
1 4.
25 fourths are
100.
100 into
2.
This is how much?
3
6.28 into
100. 620.
628. Okay. Some other class you are attending great. Okay, so next step. 2 cubes are attached side by side. 2 cubes are attached side by side, each of 4 centimeters. Each of 4 centimeters. 2 cubes are there. What is the surface area of resulting cuboid? What is the surface area of resulting cuboid? TSA of resulting cuboid. TSA of resulting cuboid. Grishmita is there. Grishmita. Grishmita. Okay. Anvita. Anvita.
Yes, sir.
Elna. What is when 2 cubes are kept side by side? What happens to the length?
8. 4.
Breadth.
4.
Height.
4.
Yeah. When side is only length will change. Now, what is the TSA of cuboid formula?
2 into LB plus BH plus HL.
Can you tell me how to do 2 into
into
8 fours are
32 plus 16 plus 32. 160.
160. Next question. 166. Next. Riddhi, are you there, Riddhi?
Yes, sir.
There is a cylindrical beaker, is there? Cylindrical beaker of radius 3.5 centimeters. Okay. It has some water. Some marbles are dropped in this. Some marbles are dropped in this, whose diameter is 1.4 centimeters. 1.4 centimeters each. Okay. The number of marbles. So water level rises by 5.6 centimeters. When marbles are dropped, the water level rises by 5.6 centimeters. How many marbles have been dropped in this? Riddhi, can you help? How to do this? Riddhi?
Yes, sir.
Volume of cylinder. This is volume of cylinder. This is also volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to N into volume of spheres. Pi r square H is equal to N into
4 by 3.
pi r cube. Pi cancel. What is the radius of cylinder? 3.5 into 3.5 into height raised is 5.6 equal N into how much? 4 by 3 into 1.4 with 0.7. Okay. This 3 will go up. All these things will come down. So N is equal to, please see here. Please see here, all of you. So N is equal to, please see here, children, 3.5 into 3.5 into 5.6 into 3 divided by 4 into 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.7. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. 7 8s are 56. 4 2s are 8. 5 5s 25. 25 2s are 50. 50 3s are 150. 150 marble should be dropped in this to make it level rises by 5.6 centimeters. 5.6 centimeters. Okay. Next, Redney is there. Redney?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are speaking. Okay, solid cube is cut off. Is cut into two cuboids of equal volume. There is a solid cube. This is cut into two cubes of equal volume. Two cubes of equal. This is a cube, and these are cuboids. These are cuboids. Question is, what is the ratio of TSA of given cube to the top one of the cuboid? TSA of original cube to TSA of any one cuboid. This is the question. Ready? Are there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Then what I can tell you? TSA of cube is 6L square.
Square.
TSA of cuboid?
2LB plus BH plus HL.
Oh my God, 6L square. So when it is cut, so length will change into half, and breadth and height remains same. Breadth and height we will take it as L and L only. L and L only when it is cut into half. Okay, only length will change.
Yes, sir.
Any one will change. Either
L by
length
2 into?
That's what. Either length or breadth or height will change. Only length I'm changing. So L by 2 into L. Breadth is L and height is L.
Into L plus L into L.
L into L.
L into L.
L by 2 into L. Okay. So 6L square. What happened?
L by 2 into L.
L square by 2.
6L square by 2 into L square by 2 plus L square plus L square by 2.
So L square by 2 plus L square by 2 is L square.
Square by
L square plus
2
L square is 2L square. L square cancel. What is the ratio?
2L square.
3 by 2, 3 is to 2. Meter only. 3 is to 2. Next. Next question. A cone of height 24 centimeter. Children, A cone is there of height is 24 centimeters. Vishwa, cone of the height is 24 centimeters and CSA of the cone is 550 centimeters square. Okay, and the volume, what is its volume? What is its volume?
Okay.
What is the CSA of cone? What is the CSA of cone? Yeah, CSA of the cone is?
Pi RL.
So 550 is equal to?
550 is equals to 22 by 7 into
24 into?
24 into
No. 1 second. 1 second. Cone of 524 has CSA 550. Its volume is how much?
Sir, he only gave height. How can we find out radius and length?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, question is cone of height 24 centimeters has CSA pi RL. The cone of height 24 centimeters has CSA 550. Find its volume is said. That's all. Okay. Let's find out height. Let's find out radius. Let's find out radius if height is 24 and the volume is 1232. Volume is 1232. Find the slant height. Find the slant height. Find the slant height if volume is 1232. What is volume of cone?
1/3 pi r square.
1 by 3 pi r square.
1 by 3 into
1, 2, 3, 22 by 7 into r square into 24.
So r square is how much?
3, 8,
into 7 by
1, 7 by 22 into 8.
r square is equal to 7 square. Radius is how much?
7
Radius is
centimeters.
If radius is 7 centimeters, find slant height. L square is equal to
L square is r square plus h square. L square is equals to 7 square plus 24 square. L square is equals to 49 plus 576. L square is equals to 625. L square is equals to 25 square. L is equals to 25.
Mohan. Mohan is there.
Sir.
Mohan is here. A lot of disturbance is there. Mute your audio. A lot of disturbance is there. Mute your audio. Three cubes are placed adjacent to each other. Find the ratio of the TSA of mu cuboid to the sum of surface area of 3 cubes. Srini, TSA of cuboid. What is the ratio of TSA of? If you join all of them, you'll get a cuboid. No? What is the ratio of TSA of cuboid to? Find the ratio of total TSA of mu cuboid to the sum of the surface area of 3 cubes. Sum of surface area of 3 cubes. Sum of the surface area of 3 cubes. This is L, this is L, this is L. So, yeah, L, 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 N. So, Vaishnavi is there, Vaishnavi? Samhita? Nitin? Yatin?
Yes, sir.
TSF cuboid formula?
2 into LB plus BL plus LB plus BH plus HL.
S1 plus S2 plus S3 surface area of each cube. 6L square plus
6L square plus 6L square.
6L square. Yeah. So when 3 of them are joined, only length will change into 3L. Breadth and height remains as L only. Breadth and height remains as L only. Can you please substitute and tell me the formula? 2 into 3L into
3L into
L.
L.
L into L. L into
L into 3L.
3L by 18 L square. Mute your audio. So 2 into 3L square plus L square plus 3L square by 18 L square. So children, how much is coming? 2 into how much children? 7L square. 7L square. So 7L square by 18 L square.
18 L square.
So 7 by 9, that is 7 is to 9. 7 by 9, that is 7 is to 9. Okay, next. Doneshwar is there? Doneshwar? A solid cone of cone of height 27 centimeters is that cone, 27 centimeters height. Radius of the base is 6 centimeters. Radius of the base is 6 centimeters. Three cones, such three cones are melted. Three of them are melted, and it is made into, three of them are melted and made into a solid sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. Doneshwar, three cones are melted and made into sphere. Means what? Doneshwar. Okay, mute your audio. So pi cancel, children. So 6 into 6 into children, 3 are there, no? 3 are 1, 6 into 6 into 27 is equal to 4 by 3 into r cube, children. So how much is going to come, children? So this 4 by 3 pi r cube, no? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So how it is coming, children? So r cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 3 divided into 27 divided by 4, children. So r cube. So 6 what we can write 2 into 3, children. 6 what we can write 2 into 3, children. 1 3 is there. 27 is already 3 cube, children. By 4. 2 to the 4 cancel. R cube is equal to 1 3 cube is there. Another 3 cube is there. Cube cancel. Radius is 9 centimeters. Radius is 9 centimeters. Like this, you have to do in the exam sheet if you have to. Okay. Next. Grishmita is there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me this one. Yeah, 1 second. See. One second. Slant rate of first one. Here, find the ratio of volume of cube. Find the ratio of volume of cube to that of a volume of sphere, which exactly fits in this cube. Which exactly fits in that cube. What is the volume of cube formula? L cube.
Yes, sir.
Volume of sphere?
4 by 3 pi r cube.
4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So volume of cube by volume of sphere. L cube by 4 by 3 into pi into. If this is L, diameter also L. Diameter at 2r is equal to L. R is equal to how much?
L by 2.
R is equal to L by 2. So L by 2 whole cube. Now can you tell me substitution? Volume of cube by volume of sphere is equal to L cube by
4 by 3 into pi into L cube by 8.
L cube by 8. So 4 3 to the 6 will go. Volume of cube by volume of sphere is 6 by pi. 6 is to pi. 6 by pi. 6 is to pi. Next, Jyotsna. Jyotsna. Next, children. Pranati, you there? There's a cone. There's a cone.
Yes, sir.
Of radius 10 centimeters. Is divided into two parts. What is the ratio of volumes of two parts? Volume of this to volume of this. What is the ratio of volumes of the two parts?
Yes, sir.
No, yes, sir.
1 by 3 pi.
This is small cone. This is big cone.
Big cone.
Volume of small
volume
cone
of cone by volume of big cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r1 h r square h by 1 by 3 pi r square big h. 1 by 3 pi 1 by 3 pi cancel. R square is equal to r.
Is it possible? So ratio of their volumes they are asking.
Sir, we should we should find volume of big cone by volume of small cone by big cone, or volume of small cone by frustum.
Not frustum. This by this frustum they want, Nana. Because first one you don't have in the syllabus. I am telling in the form of big cone. From big cone, I will subtract small cone, you will get first one. First one you don't have in the syllabus, no, that's why I'm not saying. I am telling in the form of cones. I am telling in the form of cones because you don't have first one. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now, yeah. So volume of the small cone by volume of big cone is equal to, children, see here, all of you. Is cut exactly in the middle, they said, children. They cut in the middle exactly. They cut in the middle, they said, children. Okay, when they cut exactly in the middle, see here, children. Million times I told you, small r by big R, small h by big H, small l by big L are similar because this triangle is similar to this triangle. So when exactly in the middle they cut small r by big R, small h by big H, small l by big L is same. So exactly in the middle they are cutting means try to understand. See, H is H only, big H is 2H. Exactly in the middle they are cutting. Big H is H only, big H is H plus H is 2H. This part. So R by R is 1 by 2. If R by R is 1 by 2, H by H also 1 by 2. Those who did not understand, again I'm saying, this triangle is similar to this triangle. Why? Because these both are parallel lines. If these both are parallel lines, one angle is same, one angle is same. So by area similarity, the small triangle is similar to big triangle. Small r by big R, small l by big L, small h by big H, all are similar. When they are similar, small r by big R is equal to small h by big H, I wrote as 2H. Small r by big R, I got 1 by 2. If small r by big R, I got 1 by 2. Small h by big H also 1 by 2. Now tell me, children, small r by big R, how much I got? 1 square by 2 square. And small h is also 1 by 2. That is 1 by 8. That is 1:8. Children, now the ratio you see, I'm sorry, children, this is 1, this is 8. But they ask this by this. If this is 8, this is 1. What will be this, children?
7.
7. So what is the ratio of small cone to first one?
1:7.
They asked actually this to this, children. 1:7. But what I told, instead of avoiding first one, I told why means first one is not there in the syllabus. If first one is there also, I would have said like this only because first one formula is very tough, children. 1 by 3 H big R square plus small r square plus big R into small r. No one will do like that, children. If you know the maths, they will do like this only. If you have first one syllabus also, I used to teach like this only, children. If you have first one also.
Sir, but it is a cone, no, sir. How can we assume it as a triangle and prove similarities?
Yeah, no, cone means equilateral cone. Like this, we take no, it's a cone. We'll take square figure, no. We'll take square figure and we will do it. Sorry, we'll take 2D figure and we'll do it. Yeah, cone will take this triangle and we have to imagine. If not, you will not get.
Okay.
Next question. Next. Okay. 12 solid spheres. Sahiti, you know, 12
Yes, sir.
solid spheres are there. Okay. 12 solid spheres are melted and made into a big cylinder of radius 1 centimeter and height 1 by 3 of 48. 1 by 3 of 48. You see 1 by 3 of 48. 1 by 3 of 48. Find the radius of each sphere. Find the radius of each sphere.
12 into volume of sphere is equal to volume of cube cylinder. Okay.
Okay.
12 into 4 by 3 pi r cube
4 by 3 pi r cube
is equal to pi r square h. Pi cancel. 4 by 3 and 4 cancels. So 16 into r cube is equal to r is 1 square into 16. 16 cancel. R cube is equal to 1 cube. R is equal to 1.
1 centimeter.
Radius of sphere is 1 centimeters.
Diameter is 2 centimeters. Okay. A cubic meters of brass. Children, there is a brass. Children, brass. Okay. The volume they are saying cubic meters. Cubic meters of brass is drawn into wire of. This is drawn into wire of diameter 2 mm. Find the length. So question is, a cubic meter means volume is 1 meter cube. Volume is 1 meter cube. This is drawn into one. Okay. Okay, children, what is the volume of cylinder, children?
pi r square h.
So 1 is equal
1 is equal to 22 by 7 into
radius is 1
by
into 1 mm into h. But this is in meters, this is in mm. Mm to meters?
By 1000.
Mm to meters?
By 1000.
By 1000. So what we'll do, so this will take us 3.14, or we'll do our h is equal to 7. This all thing will go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 22. Okay, what? So whatever it is, dash meters is the length of the wire. Dash meters is the length of the wire. Okay, so yeah, children. 1 second. Okay, so what they are saying is a hollow cube of internal h 22 centimeters. There is a hollow cube of internal h 22 centimeters. Of internal h 22 centimeters is filled with the spherical marbles of diameter 0.5 centimeters. Assume that 1/8 of the cube is 1/8 of volume of cube is left unfilled. It is left unfilled. So is left unfilled.
Don't know, Vicky.
So 1/8 of volume is unfilled. So children, find the number of marbles it can accommodate. Find the number of marbles it can accommodate. Tanish.
Sir, yes, sir. First find volume of the cube, and from that.
See, if 1/8 is unfilled means.
Yes, sir.
1/8 is unfilled means how much is filled? 7/8.
7/8.
1/8 is unfilled means 7/8 is
7/8. Yes, sir.
So 7/8 of volume of cube is filled with n number of
marbles. Yes, sir.
Children, if 1/8 is filled means 7/8 is unfilled. Okay. If 1/4 is filled, how much is unfilled? 3/4 because 1 plus 3. If 1/25 is filled, how much is unfilled?
24/25.
If 3/7 is filled, how much is unfilled?
6/7.
4/7. 4 plus 3 7. If 5/9 is filled, how much is unfilled?
3/9.
4/9. 5 plus 4 is 9. If 2/11 is filled, how much is unfilled?
9/11.
9/11 because 9 plus 2 is 11. If 1/6 is filled, how much is unfilled?
5/6.
5/6. If 1/8 is unfilled, if 1/8 is unfilled, 7/8 is filled with spherical shells.
Yes, sir. 7/8 into s cube, l cube is equal to n into 4/3 pi r cube.
Okay.
7/8 into 22 into 22 into 22.
7/8 into
22 into 22 into 22.
22 into 22 into 22 is equal to
n into 4/3.
4/3
into 22/7.
22/7
into 0.5 cube.
0.5 is the diameter and the radius. 0.5 centimeter diameter.
Oh, yeah. (0.5/2).
Okay. So 2, 2, 2 is 8. 8 is cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 22 in 7 into 22 into 22 is equal to n into 4/3 into
22/7 into 5/10.
5/10 is 1/2.
Yes, sir. 1/2 into 1/2. 2 to 4 cancel, sir.
22 cancel.
Yes, sir. 4 and 2 2s. Yes.
Okay. So 3 7s are 21.
21.
2s are 42.
42
goes here. So So 7
Oh, yeah.
22 into 22 into 40.
42.
So how much are the marbles we are going to get? We are going to get how many marbles, children? We are going to get 142296. 142296 marbles are present in this. 142296 of marbles are present in this. Okay, children. Last question of the day, children. We look. Only one question we look. Okay, so Varshini, you did. A solid iron is in the form of cuboid of dimensions. Varshini? Srija?
Yes, sir.
So 49 into 33, 49 into 33 into 24 is molded to form solid spheres. How many, the radius of the sphere is how much? What is the radius of the sphere? Yeah, hold it. Srija, na first me.
Srija, sir.
Yeah, Srija. Volume
of cuboid
is equal to
volume of sphere.
Volume of cuboid is how much?
LBH is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube.
Okay, so 49.
49 into 33 into 24 is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube.
R cube. Okay. So how we are going to do? So 4 6 are 11 3s are 11 2s are. So 2 3s are 3 7 you take it up. R cube is equal to 49 into 3 into 3 into 7. One more 3 is there here. Yeah, one more.
Yes, sir. One more 3 is there.
So R cube is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cube. 49 into 7 is?
7 cube.
So how much is the answer?
21.
21 centimeters is the radius of the sphere. Okay, children. That's enough, children. Tomorrow morning again meet me, children. We will do science. Thank you so much. Children, I will not take attendance. I have another class of this. Please leave the group. Thank you so much.